So as you can see, we're on a cattle ranch. These T-post toppers can be used for cattle, horses, any type of animal that you have on your property. One of the best attributes is that this is aluminum wire, and it can have a electric fence hook up to it because this is insulated. This is plastic. So this can be electrified. These are meant to be inside or outside. They can only go one direction because of the way it sits on the T-post. On the inside, there is a spot for the T-post. And this one will only go one direction and sit on one direction and will not turn. It'll stay in place. But as you can see, they will not come off. So if the animals are jumping into this, the T-post toppers will not come off. There is 3 slots on here. I only strung 2 wires today. There are notches in here, so the wires can't come out so easily. So they're tightened from both ends, slipped into here, it's done deal. They are very easy to handle, easy to install. The wiring is the hardest part, and perhaps hooking up the electric fence to it is a labor of love. I not only produce these things, but I use them as well because of necessity. My dogs like to jump my fence. I created these so that I could keep my dog inside my fence, and so far so good.